I'm not telling you not to eat your salad, but you can get a lot of these vitamins and minerals in a fish like sablefish as well. My name is Lexi Fish-Hackett, and I live in Sitka, Alaska. I am a registered dietitian. My husband and I have a commercial fishing boat, and we catch salmon, halibut, and sablefish. Black cod, also known as sablefish, is a nutrition powerhouse. Between the high protein content, the level of anti-inflammatory fats that are found in sablefish, and then the fact that it's so nutrient dense with vitamins and minerals, just kind of make it one of those foods that will enhance your vitality and optimize your health and lifestyle. It is really high in fat content because it's a cold water deep sea fish, and so it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are the type of fat that is found in all seafood, but it's particularly high in sablefish. Omega-3s are really good for your heart health, and they're anti-inflammatories. Sablefish is super high in selenium, potassium, and magnesium. Don't have to worry about drying it out like you do with a lot of other types of fish, which is amazing because we're all busy and we all have a lot going on, and sometimes the food stays in the oven for 5 minutes extra, right? Always recommend it to people who are just learning to cook seafood for the first time. You really can't mess it up. So when you see Alaska caught sablefish on a menu or at your local fish market, at your grocery store, you know, first of all, it's a wild product. It's caught sustainably in Alaska, and you're supporting fishing families who are working around the clock and putting a lot of love and effort into producing this food that you can take home, cook for your family and friends, and share with the people that you love.